Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. In today's video we're going to be learning how to do reusable makeup pads. So I'm going to show you how to sew your own reusable makeup pads. I have some here in this cute little furry bag that I made. So these are what they look like. So they're all just made from old quilting cottons and bits of cotton in nice prints. So these are what they look like, and they're really cute and soft. And basically all you do with them is you get your micellar water of whatever brand you choose and you just pop some on and rub it off. And I'm going to show you straight off the bat how they work on this one, which is like pink and white stripes. So I'm just going to pour some on and I'm going to show you straight away. I don't know whether you can see, but like it does work, and they are quite soft. They're not very abrasive on the skin. And that did work quite quickly. And basically it's just these are way better than generic makeup wipes and cotton pads because they just get thrown into landfill. They're single use, they can't be reused. These are machine washable. You can just throw them into the machine, or if you want, what I do sometimes is I find if you're waiting for a load of laundry to come up, the longer you leave them the more likely they are to stain. Now they are going to stain anyway, but if you want them to like last longer, straight away just put a tiny bit of hot water and some hand soap in the sink and just give it a quick wash out and leave it on the radiator to dry, and they're good as new and they're ready to go the next day. Just in case you didn't want to like leave yourself short and wait for them all to like fit into a load of washing. So it's a really scrap friendly project because you can use up your old cotton scraps, your old felt scraps, and they're quite easy to sew. So without further ado, let's get started. For every makeup pad you intend to make, you need one 6" by 6" square of linen, cotton, or any other soft fabric scrap that you have. And what we're going to do is we're going to place our oval shaped makeup pad pattern piece on the top edge of the fabric so that we have the bottom portion of the fabric free. So pin and trace and then cut it out. You also need to cut out 2 oval shapes of felt or a soft cotton batting, and that's going to be your absorbent core on the inside. Once you've cut out your makeup pad, you should have a 3" by 6" strip of fabric left, which would have been the bottom half of your 6" square. Fold that in half and cut it so that you have 2 3" by 3" squares of fabric. On one of the 3" squares of fabric, I want you to fold down a small hem on one edge of the fabric and just finger press it down, or use an iron if you'd prefer, but make sure that you have one small fold on one piece of your 3" square. We're hoping for a pillowcase style back of the makeup pad, so as you can see I've pinned the 2 squares of 3" fabric right sides together to my oval, and I've put the fold in the middle with the raw edge of the other square on top of it. And then we're going to sew around the oval shape, not the square parts. We're just going to sew around the oval shape and then we'll trim off the excess afterwards. Once you've sewn around your oval and trimmed away the excess, turn your makeup pad right way out. now take the 2 layers of felt oval that you cut out earlier and slot them into the makeup pad via the pillow slot. This can be very fiddly, so take your time and make sure that you get it right. Pin and sew the folded edge in the back of the makeup pad and then top stitch around the entire makeup pad to finish. And you're done! You have successfully made makeup pads. So there you have it, that's how you make your washable makeup pads. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you do end up making your own reusable makeup pads, please tag me in them. I'd love to see your work. And if you have any other sewing tutorials that you'd like me to cover in the future, please comment below. And I will be including a downloadable PDF pattern of the makeup wipes with instructions on the Pinky Don't Mash website, so make sure to check it out and keep an eye out on social media for the announcement of that pattern. Okay, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Bye!